Gleason here with collect-sell.com, and today we have a great Hamilton Ball official standard railroad grade 999 size 18 17 jewel pocket watch in a beautiful lion hand engraved Openface hinged 14 karat pocket watch case. Very detailed and running strong. Thanks for checking out our watch. Stay to the end. Keep a close eye on how this thing works, and be more than happy to answer any questions with contact information at the end. Thanks for coming and checking out our video on this pocket watch. If you have one like this and would like to sell, please contact us via phone or email. Thank you again from Gleason's at collectsell.com. Give us a call at 262-391-8346.